Welcome to the channel where we optimize every step to ensure the success of renewable energy projects. Today we will explore how sensitivity analysis and risk management ensure the stability of PV plus BESS projects. This image highlights the fundamental pillars in the evaluation of solar projects: technical, economic, and risk analysis. These components are key to accurate planning. Identifying the most relevant variables and their impact on project profitability allows informed decisions to be made from the earliest stages. In the image, we see how changes in variables such as energy price, capex, and degradation rate affect the performance of a project. Sensitivity analysis identifies the most critical variables for profitability. For example, projecting high and low price scenarios in the spot market allows forecasting their impact on cash flows. In addition, assessing the degradation rate of batteries helps to plan for replacement and maintenance costs over time. This tool provides a solid basis for forecasting risks and optimizing financial planning. We now focus on key risk mitigation strategies such as revenue diversification, hedging contracts, and preventive maintenance. Diversifying revenues through long-term PPAs and ancillary services markets reduces dependence on the spot market and ensures stable cash flows. Financial instruments such as production variability insurance and hedging contracts protect the project from adverse events. A well-defined maintenance plan reduces unexpected failures, while replacement planning extends system life and avoids unforeseen costs. In the image, we see a base scenario as a starting point, accompanied by optimistic and pessimistic scenarios to evaluate different market conditions. The baseline scenario uses realistic projections of energy prices and operating costs, while the pessimistic and optimistic scenarios anticipate unfavorable conditions and potential opportunities. Evaluating how changes in public policies or incentives affect profitability helps design effective adaptation strategies. This methodology prepares the project to respond to a wide range of challenges and maximize its potential under any conditions. Today we looked at how sensitivity analysis and risk management can transform the planning and operation of PV plus BESS projects. From diversifying revenues to forecasting future scenarios, these tools are essential to ensure success. If you want to apply these strategies to your projects and ensure their stability, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Let's work together to optimize every aspect and maximize your results. Start building the future of renewable energy today.